In one of my previous videos, I went over the 3 free tools that you can use to record your video. So I went over how to use QuickTime and I went over how to use Zoom. So today we're going to learn how to use Loom. Hi there, welcome back to my channel, Pagan here. So Loom is a tool that I actually like to use to quickly make videos. As I mentioned before, Loom is actually great because it's web-based. You don't have to download it to your computer. Although now I think they have the option to download it to your computer, but you can still use it on the web. The only thing is it's a Chrome extension, so you do have to have a Google account, and actually you can use your Slack account too. It's perfect for sending quick videos to your clients or to team members to show them how to do something. I've also seen it used to answer questions like in Facebook groups. So the first thing you need to do is create an account. So right now I'm in Safari because I already have an account for Loom, but I wanted to show you what it looks like to set up an account. So you see right here, it says get Loom for free. So you have to sign up with Google or sign up with Slack. I use my business Google account, hello@natashalanedesignco.com, because I have that link to Google, or I have a Google business account. If you want a Google business account, I'll go ahead and add that in the link down below. It makes it really simple to have your domain name like at natashalanedesignco.com instead of at google.com. So I'm going to show you the behind the scenes of my Loom. So you see, these are some of the videos that I created, but to use Loom, you actually have to have the Chrome extension, which is this little swirly, I don't know if it's a flower, I don't know what it is, but you actually see the symbol right here. Because I use the dark theme, you probably can't see it that well, but here it is, Loom Video Screen Recorder. So once I click on it, you'll see the record. So you have the option of screen and camera, screen only or camera only. So I'm going to do screen only. And I'm going to do full desktop. You see, you can also enable the microphone audio. So full desktop or current tab. But I'm going to pick full desktop. The thing with the current tab, or there's a way to record only the app that you're in. You have to be careful with that because sometimes when you have the app on full screen, it won't record at all. Like one time I had my Keynote open and I did it in full screen and everything was dark. So be aware of that. So full screen, start recording. You see there's the application window. So here are all the apps that I have open. I think this is the Safari, and then this is what I'm using right now. But before it would have like Keynote. So if you're gonna do that, then make sure you're careful whenever you put it on full screen. But I'm gonna do the entire screen because I learned my lesson from the Keynote fiasco. So I'm gonna pick my entire screen and I'm gonna share. And then you get this countdown. So you see this right here. This is a pet peeve of mine. Like if you're recording, then hide it. Because if you don't hide it, it's gonna be on all your recordings. So I'm gonna open this back up. So when I'm done when I want to stop sharing my screen, I'm gonna click stop sharing. And then it automatically creates the video for you. So you can send this video, like if you're creating a tutorial for a client or if you want to help somebody real quickly, you can copy the link and send your client or whoever you're helping the link so that they can watch the video online. You see that there's a privacy setting. So link sharing, or you can add it to, I guess, public, but I don't see why you would do that. you have to upgrade to invite people, and you can also add a password to this. Oh, before you send the link to anyone, you can actually change the name. So Loom screen share, or I should say Loom screen recording tutorial. So once you create the title, you can copy link and send it to whoever. But usually if I'm creating a Loom video, I'm actually going to download the video. Usually this option is available whenever whenever this recording is finished. Usually if the recording is longer, it'll take longer to finish, and then this option won't be available until it finishes. But since this was only 26 seconds, I could just download, and then there it is, it's downloaded. And then I can start editing the video if I need to. But the great thing about Loom is you can actually edit this video in Loom. So let's say I was doing a tutorial and I had like an awkward pause in the beginning. I can actually trim the video. I can trim that part of the video. So start trim. So the red parts will be removed. And you see, you can publish publish the video. So once you publish the video, you see that that part is trimmed out. Okay, so after you finish trimming your video, you can actually send it, save it, or you can actually copy the link or download it. But you can actually go to my videos if you want to look for the video later. So it actually saves all your videos. So that's how you use Loom to record your computer screen. Do you use Loom in your business? Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe to stay tuned for my latest videos. Until next week, bye.